Yes. Hi guys, good morning. Kape tayo. Ah, so samahan niyo ako ngayon. Niregaluhan ako ng aking asawa. Early Christmas gift. That's a box. This is 3 months ko niligawan sa kanya to, no? Ito na. DJI Mini 4 Pro. So samahan niyo ako, check natin kung anong laman ng box na to. Let's go. So, ayan. So, yung seat pa yan. So, check natin siya. Fill this off. And, first thing is the bag. And etiketa. Manual, screwdriver, drone itself. But we have remote controller, USB Type C, and USB Type A, and the propellers. So this one. Let's check what's in the component first. Let's build this up. Here. And check this out. So this one is speeding off. This one. This off. One. Wow. May bago. Battery pa siya. So, goods naman lahat ng knobs. The last one is the hub. So, meron siyang dalawang extra batteries. So, lock on siya. Charge those batteries. This one. Naman natin yung battery option niya, so hindi siya nakikita pag hindi nakasaksak. Okay, so all batteries are dead, so we're gonna charge it first before we're using it. Okay, so the battery hub niya, meron siyang in and out. So dito yung input power, and dito yung output power. So pag mag-charge ka ng either ito or pwede rin ito, charge mo galing dito. Pwede siya magiging power station. Okay? Right. Charge muna natin to, tapos check natin kung paano siya kumagana. So, charge natin siya. Check natin kung ilang oras yung charging time niya. Buong hap. So, yung charge niya is one at a time lang. Hindi siya nag-charge ng buo. Okay. So, after full charge na ito naman pangalawa. So, check natin. Orasan natin. Time is 8:43 AM. So, check natin kung ilang oras aabutin. Okay. Just an update. After an hour, so na-full charge na yung isang battery. No? So, hintayin natin mga ilang oras pa. Okay. Habang nag-charge yung battery ng drone, set up muna natin to. One is English, so green, then touch natin is Philippines. Then connect natin siya sa yan. So may small check siya rito, that means connected na siya natin. So yeah, Beijing, make sure the timing is correct. So logging tayo. Login. Wait. Yeah, I think that's all. Let's get started. So, okay. 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 Shutter. So, ito yan. This one is video. Then picture. And ito yung dial niya. Okay. Return to home. Break. Then switch on switch fly modes. So pwede tayo mag cinematic, normal, tsaka sports mode. Okay. Then okay, this one record. So may C1, C2, customize button. Then yep, so may indication din siya ng status ng remote. Okay. Okay, I think that's all. All right. All right. After that, information authorization. Next. Product improvement project. So not now. Muna to. Okay. I think everything is good for this one. Okay. Set up na natin yung controller. Okay. Then wait natin ma-full charge yung battery. Yan. Pag na full charge na yan, so good to go na tayo. Pwede na tayong palipad mamaya. Okay. So yun, no? After 2.5 hours, full charge na yung tatlong battery. So kantarin na natin. Plug natin dito. So, yan. Ilaw na. Okay. So, natin i-turn on. Yun, connected na. Let's see. Device. Ito lang natin. Okay. So, magpapa-update ng new firmware. So, update lang natin ito. So, wait lang natin siya ma-update. Okay, start na. Initializing resource. Okay, saan natin drone? Kirik-kirik na sa kirik-kirik. And the drones. Then, okay. So, hi. Ayan. So, mukhang goods naman. Check natin mamaya, no? Kung papalitan natin. Good luck, sana hindi agad mag-crash. Anyways, that's all for this video. Then I hope there's something. So pag bumili kayo, hindi ko sure kung recommended ba mag-upgrade ka ng firmware version, pero based sa mga reviews and videos na napapanood ko, so for check muna sa DJI website kung may mga bug issue ba sa mga bagong firmware version bago niyo i-upgrade. Yan. And then so after ko update yung firmware ng drone, so I think all of the batteries kailangan din i-update yung firmware nila. After that, I think pwede na tayo magpalipad. So fix ko muna lahat, then may next video test ko kung paano pagpalipad nitong drone na to. Ayan, so that's all. Hey guys, I hope that's informative. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for viewing. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for my YouTube video, and also on my Facebook, following Jeff Basal, and also Moto Traveler PH. Okay, ciao.